All right. This is the 1970 model CT70 we have. It's a little beat up right now. But over here, you can see we have new front triple tree for it and some other stuff that we're going to put on it. Shouldn't take long. Should have it done within like an hour. But we're going to update just about everything on the bike besides the frame and some other stuff. But yeah, it shouldn't take but just a couple minutes, and we'll have this bike set up with some new, fresh, shiny parts. So this front fork triple tree has missing its top center nut for a while, so I don't have to take it off. It's a missing one, but the new one we have already has its, so it'll be fine. But this one's been missing it for a while. The new one we have for it, but I'm hoping it'll be fine. It won't be an issue. But also, if there's any wires still connected, like it has stuff still connected to it, I'm just gonna fucking clip it off with a pair of fucking cutters. I'm not bothering fucking worrying about some dry rotted wires and everything. Thing's in a whole new wiring harness, so I don't really care about any of these fucking wires. They're all fucking trash anyway. So, clip them. Fuck them. The wiring on it's already been butchered all the hell as it is. So, I don't care. I don't think anyone else will care. And this piece of shit. Right there. So I found both sides of the bearing are in here, but there's not a single ball bearing anywhere to be found. It was between these two pieces they're supposed to be bearings, right? Like the ball bearings. But there was nothing in here at all between them. So it didn't have any bearings whatsoever in the front fork. And from what I'm told, when you rode it, it fucking bounced around. Like, it makes sense to me. And now I gotta beat out these bearing things. Okie dokie. Now it's time to put these in there. It took me a while to get the other ones out. But I finally got these out. And now it's time I gotta press these in. So I'm gonna take these bearings and I'll put this thick grease. I'm just gonna press it all in there. Okie dokie. Time to slide her in there. And then I put these on backwards a second ago. So yeah, all the wiring that was on this one I just clipped off and just threw the whole fucking thing out in the yard.
I emailed Cajun Mad Dogs about getting the other wiring harness.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the hardest part about that front fork was I sat there for like 30 minutes trying to bang out the bearing things that are pressed into the center part right here.
Yeah.
Because none of my screwdrivers fit in there, and so I had to find something that would fit in there, and then finally got them banged out. But But if you look right there at the handlebars, like where they meet up, the clone ones, like this one right here doesn't like fit right. It has to be fixed where like that one side fit fine, but quality control, probably not, you know, the best.
Want to start doing hoses?
We can do it now, I guess. Undo hoses? You mean use these wire cutters?
Yeah. Well, not. Okay.
These are old hoses. Why would you worry about saving them? They're probably going to leak as soon as you try to
You're
put it in.
old. I tried to save you.
Bro, this hose is like literally broke off the carb.
Okay.
Like it's supposed to be a rubber hose and literally just breaks.
So it's a quality item. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
All right. Next up. Oh. There you go.